The crossover point is what you have to look for. The variables are your investments, your expenses, and your income trends, and that is what you have to achieve early. The fire says achieve that horizontal target earlier. So we have a senior citizen portfolio. We have discussed what it is. Dr. Sanjay has said, but 3 points remember: it should be safe, it should give good returns, it should have a liquidity. Videographer, can you just sit down? People can't see. So safety, liquidity, and return is what the magic triangle the seniors should look for in their retirement age. And this is a part of the earlier, bigger thing like tax liabilities, the legalness, the uniqueness of the instrument. And please think about 3 times your annual income. If you reach that corpus, you can retire as a financially independent person. So the point is, don't commit the mistakes like we have done. We have redeemed our instruments. We have not held it for longer time. The earlier you redeem, the more you lose it, the compounding effect. It's like a Chinese bamboo shoot, you know. The bamboo seedling, if you put it in the ground, for 4 years it doesn't grow. It doesn't shoot for 4 years from the bamboo seedling over the ground. But when it comes, in 1 year it goes 400 meters. That's a sort of an anomaly I'm trying to tell you about the compound interest. In the first 5-6 years, 10 years it won't. But the last years your compounding interest goes phenomenally. So these are the calculators we'll talk about later. So you should know 4 things. When do you want to start your retirement corpus usage, or when you want to retire? What is your end year, roughly 85 years or 90? Or what is the income hike you can do every year? And what is the starting amount you have? So make finance, we have been telling since morning, simple and safe and easy for everybody. Don't go for complex instruments or complex plans. And systemic withdrawal plan, in India, we don't follow Western advice of 4% withdrawal. We need 6% because our inflation rate is very high. This is the Western inflation where the inflation rate is 2%, 3%. So 6% aim should be important for us. So respect the money, save the money, invest it properly and spend it wisely. That should be a slogan. Like you, whatever you eat, whatever you see to eat, similarly you also take care of the money like that to build up your financial health. So these are the calculators which we will talk about in the station. You can go through them, easy to do. So economic inflation, I already told you 6%, but the lifestyle inflation is very high. Your pant today, your sari today is not the same as it is tomorrow. It is not 6% more, it is much, much, much more. That is what it is given. What is the current expenses of 1 lakh will be after, say, at the 50th year, it will be 1.8 lakhs. If you think your 1 lakh is at the 30 years is 1 lakh worth, at the age of 90 years, it becomes 8 lakhs worth. That means you should have 8 lakhs of today's 1 lakh. So these are some of the power of compounding already dealt with. You don't have to worry, but the take-home message is start early, be steady, be regular, be consistent in saving. These are some of the examples. Kalavati, Sumavati, Nanavati, already Satish has said, or I think somebody else also said. I am also mentioning, Kolundu sir has also meant. But this is important, I want to tell you. This is the last slide. Saving, investing, corpus building is our aim. We get so much involved in that process. Most of the now experts are struggling with the idea how to spend that over-accumulated corpus. There is a phase of accumulation of your money. There is a phase of distribution in the 3-bucket retirement plan, which Dr. Sanjay has put those 3 buckets. But how do you do deaccumulation? Many of you have seen that reports of the finance experts. Indians live poorly, die. So don't do that mistake. Learn to spend, live your life happily, comfortably, and enjoy it. Don't leave it for your progeny. They will know how to earn better than you and more than you. Maybe you give a platform, maybe you give a push, but if you try to do that, you will end up not learning the skill of spending money also. You will end up only learning the skill of earning from this workshop. I want you to take home this message also. The moment of valuing your little spending becomes quite toxic. You will calculate every pie when you are spending. That is because you have been doing that from past 30, 40 years. So learn to spend also. Thank you.